In this video, we'll show you how to build and install railing for your deck stairs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content just like this. Thank you. Install the posts. Cut the top and bottom rails. Mark the top and bottom rails for where the balusters will go. Drill holes partway into the rails to insert the balusters into. Put some black tape on the drill bit to indicate how far to drill into the rails, and drill to that point. This is the stair rail kit with the balusters I'm using. Screw on the bottom rails. Insert the balusters between the bottom and top rails into the holes that you drilled, and screw on the top rails. I'll have a link to a video in the description below on how to assemble the deck railing, as well as videos on building this deck with storage from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you.